Good evening, everyone. This is August 27th, 2009, and man, is it hot. Here in Vegas, it gets up, right now it's getting up to about 115 degrees. But that's nothing compared to what the two Mars exploration rovers are experiencing up in Mars. During the daytime period, it can actually get up to nearly twice that it can normally on Earth. But it's not the mere rovers that I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about is a new rover that's going to be landing on Mars in late 2011. In 2010 or 2011, the Mars Science Laboratory rover Curiosity is going to be launching from Earth on his way to Mars, landing in late 2011, early 2012. It actually will be beginning its mission to explore evidence of past water accumulation on Earth or on Mars. This includes the production or the existence of lakes, of tributaries, of deltas like the Nile Delta in Egypt. Just as baseball players must train together before the season starts, the science team for Curiosity must be in top shape to operate the rover's 10 science instruments when it lands on Mars in 2012. The team recently limbered up by exploring a New Mexico site with a smaller geologic history to what Curiosity may encounter on Mars. Team members stretched their intellectual muscles by performing exercises to discuss how they would operate the rover if it were at the site. They also debated which experiments would help them best understand the site. Meeting in person also strengthened the international team's bond. Once the rover lands on Mars, a group that plays well together is not just a goal. It's a mission critical. They must rely on each other's strengths and work through differences to make the best decisions for Curiosity. Lots of practice and team building now will hopefully ensure a winning science season on Mars later. Now, the Mars Science Laboratory's lead scientists hike up a hill in New Mexico in this first image to study a geological formation similar to what Curiosity might find on Mars. This would include the various sand dunes, rock formations in which they would explore the composition, and the soil in which they would locate any possible evidence of past perchlorates or any other evidence of the existence of water either in the past or in the present. In this second image, Don Grossinger, Mars Science Laboratory's project scientist, discussed a series of lake bed sediments with the team. Behind him, Ken Edgett gathers some close-up images of rocks, just as his experiment would do on Mars. He is in charge of the color camera on the turret of the rover's robotic arm. The camera is called MAHLI, or Mars Hand Lens Imager. So once this Mars team builds its team building experience, they'll be able to pull off of everyone's strengths and of course their weaknesses once Curiosity begins to explore Mars. So expect new information coming about once we find more details as to the landing site for Curiosity and the estimated launch date once the Mars Science Laboratory enters its near launch date. At this point, the launch is still scheduled for late 2011, and the Mars Science Laboratory should arrive in either early or mid 2012.